The Canal Convergence is going on this week, so don't forget it's happening November 4th through 13th on the waterfront in Old Town. This is a free event that's a great night of fun. It's a one-of-a-kind. Art pours into our city from all over the world, and this year's theme is Power of Play and Art. The Lululemon 10K in Scottsdale is happening, so registration's still going on. You can go do it. It's from starts and stops at the Scottsdale Civic Center and runs along the Scottsdale Waterfront. A beautiful view, and of course it's going to be gorgeous weather. It's Scottsdale. It's our best season yet. And you can get, afterwards, you get a post-race amenities, including yoga, meditation, and even a post-race treat to go along with your t-shirt and medal. And a huge thank you to all of our veterans out there. November 11th is Veterans Day, and Scottsdale will not miss it. We are going to celebrate it at the Scottsdale Civic Center from 10:30 a.m. to noon with the profound and heartfelt Scottsdale's Veteran Day Commemoration. They'll come together to honor the service and sacrifice of our nation's veterans. The significant event promises to be a moving tribute to those who have selfishly defended our freedom.